Hi, I'm John Pagano with Forest River Class C Motorhomes, and welcome to the walk around of the brand new 2023 Sunseeker 2950 LE floor plan. This non-slide floor plan measures 29 feet, 11 inches long, has great exterior storage, has a fiberglass molded front cap, fiberglass roof, side view and backup cameras. And with that said, let's go inside and take a look at why this floor plan is so great. We're here inside of this Sunseeker 2950, and behind me is our standard queen size bunk mattress with cubby holes up front that has power sources for the kids' goodies. This floor plan is great for a couple or great for a family. It has 6 seat belts. It can sleep 6 to 8 depending on the size of the kids that are coming with you as well. Below, you've got your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So if you're on a long vacation, you don't know exactly where you are, you can always connect your smartphone to that device to be able to display Google Maps, Waze, and or Apple Maps. The Google Maps and Android Auto works with all 3 of those programs. As we kind of pan out of this driver area, you see you've got a huge dinette here, booth dinette that breaks down into a table. Again, this has 2 seat belts in it, but notice the television right above it. So no television up in the bunk in this floor plan. It's directly across from your sofa, which gives you a great view of this TV at the end of the night or early in the morning when you're having your coffee. I love this setup right here. Huge window on your driver's side and also a huge window on your campsite. Here in the kitchen, I love this kitchen of this Sunseeker 2950. You've got a great amount of space here to be able to prepare meals and a huge stainless steel sink, 7 inches deep. You could do your dishes in here. You can do anything you need to do in the stainless steel sink. And for a little bit more counter space, you do have this flip up leaf right here to be able to prepare meals if need be. Across from the kitchen, you've got your 10 cubic foot, 12 volt refrigerator. This refrigerator has tempered glass on the inside. I love it. It cools down in about 30 to 45 minutes. So no having to pack up your things the night before you leave. It runs directly off of your batteries. It completely eliminates exterior ventilation on the motorhome, and it looks great. Next to it, you've got some cabinetry space. As we make it back here, you have your split bathroom. Now you have 2 doors here that can both open simultaneously and make this one large space. So you've got your shower and your toilet, and you've got your sink in a different spot. But when you open this, it's almost like what we call a side aisle bathroom, meaning you have one large room to yourself. We're here in the bedroom of the Sunseeker 2950, and it's got a huge queen walk-around bed. This is the main event. North-south bed, walk-around, plenty of storage, and 2 huge windows on either side. I don't know about you, but I love waking up to sunlight, and you can certainly get more than enough sunlight in this bedroom. You have a nice view looking forward of the entire motorhome, but of course you can close these doors off from the bathroom to give yourself some privacy if you have guests with you in the front of the motorhome. You've got your thermostat right here to be able to temperature control this entire motorhome. So this is away from the kids. If you brought the kids with you, you can control that and make sure that they don't get their hands on it. And you've got a 15K AC with a heat pump that comes standard with this floor plan. Now, a couple options to talk about. There's only really 2. You have your 4-point hydraulic leveling system, which that is on this particular floor plan. They are down right now. That's why we're not shaking all about as we walk throughout this entire floor plan. And you can do aluminum running boards as well, which gives you a little bit of support coming in and out of the cab more conveniently. Other than that, what you see is what you get right here. And this is a lot of features inside a 30-foot non-slide floor plan. Thanks for joining us today on this walk around of the Sunseeker 2950. For more information on this floor plan or any like it, please visit us at forestriver.com/Sunseeker, or you can visit our YouTube channel at Forest River Motorized. Thank you and have a great day.